What is up, you guys? My name is Patrick, and I'm officially crowning myself as the Swagbucks guru. Some may even call me the Linus Tech Tips of Swagbucks. Outranking huge videos with hundreds of thousands of views. So everyone, give yourselves a pat on the back for helping me do this. Great achievement. I am honored to bring you some Expert Swagbucks tips and tricks that you have never seen before. The tips I will share in this video literally have not been shown anywhere on YouTube. And I know that you've never seen these before because I've literally watched the top Swagbucks videos and nobody has talked about these tips. These are some really niche tips that very few people know, and they will help you maximize your Swagbucks experience to get the most Swagbucks and get the most money. If you have no idea what Swagbucks is, click my video here. I talk about everything you need to know about Swagbucks. I think these tips will be very useful for you guys, so if you don't mind dropping a like on this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump into my computer and we're gonna begin this video. So this first tip isn't even on the Swagbucks website. It's actually on a forum website called Reddit. This is probably the single most powerful resource at hand, and I'll show you why. So first of all, to get on the Swagbucks subreddit, we're gonna just come to reddit.com and we'll type in Swagbucks, or you could use the link in the description I'll provide. And this is the Swagbucks subreddit forum, and there are many things that will help you out here. So on the Swagbucks subreddit, people will post what is working and what is not working. For example, they'll post offers like this: Apple Rewards, you'll earn 44 Swagbucks and it's an instant credit. This offer will credit instantly, so people know that, like, yeah, we should do this offer. It's simple. Some people even make guides for games, so you know those like $20, $40 reward games where when you like reach level 18 you'll get the reward. People make guides how to do it better, so that's really nice of them, and that's a completely free resource for you. You could see things that are not working, like this broke TV show survey, and I'm not even lying, this actually helped me because I stumbled upon this survey and I realized it was the broke TV show survey, so I did not do it. You could also sort by the top of the week and find some offers that way. Or one thing I like to do with the subreddit is type in quiz, and here are literally answers to paid quizzes on Swagbucks. So what I like to do is open Swagbucks in one tab and then open the quiz answers in another tab and just fill that out while listening to music and get some free Swagbucks. On this subreddit, you could also find daily codes that you could enter in to gain a few extra points every day, just like this one right here. If you have any questions yourself, you could always post on there, or even post in my comments. I'll always answer your questions. But basically, the Swagbucks subreddit forum is a perfect place to get some free answers, get some extra Swagbucks, really maximize your Swagbucks experience by avoiding the bad stuff, and that's the first tip. So my second tip is actually about Discover offers, and most of the Discover offers you see on the front page here are from Swagbucks themselves. But there are also different Discover offer vendors, and I'll show you where to find them. To find them, you could either click on Daily Discover, or you could click on Discover right here. And once you are in the Discover tab, you will just scroll down, and here are some of the vendors. I call them vendors, but trusted partners. So there's 8 of them. My favorite one is Revenue Universe. They seem to pay out the best. Sometimes these vendors will actually have double Swagbucks if you do offers through their portal, and that way you could actually kind of shop around and see, is it better right here or is it better at this vendor that has double Swagbucks right now. And one more super secret trick with these Discover offers, a lot of them are actually on your phone, so Android or iOS, right? And you can't do it on a laptop or computer. But you'll go into Offer Toro vendor and you'll see some mobile offers, right? I want to just install Starbucks for 23 Swagbucks. Pretty good offer. I'll click here, and I could either enter my email to get an email on my phone and do it that way, or I could scan a QR code. I personally just do the QR code, and once I do that on my phone, I have an Offer Toro page that literally has all the offers on my phone, and this is super convenient because I don't have to keep going back and forth. And what I could actually do, at least for iOS, I don't know about Android, is press this button in the middle, and then you press add to home screen, and this will allow you to access this page almost like an app. So as you can see here, this is how it looks like, and I press right back on it, and I have all my offers right here. Also in the top right, you can press my Swagbucks, and here if there's any errors, say you completed an offer but for some reason you haven't been rewarded in a timely manner or at all, you could just press missing SB and you will be able to file a ticket really easily from here. And that is tip number 2. So in tip number 3, I'm just going to go over surveys and how you can maximize your surveys. Surveys are a big part of the Swagbucks experience, so I think it's important to share these tips. So I specifically like to do at least one survey a day on Swagbucks just to complete my to-do list. And as you can see, I've already completed it today. To complete my to-do list, I don't look at these long surveys. I just click on time to complete right here, and I just take the shortest survey and complete it. I've learned that yes, you do get disqualified, but you will learn which survey vendors will disqualify you and which one won't really. So that's really useful to know. Like Sample Cube, I get disqualified a lot. And actually Simplicio, I've actually qualified for a lot of surveys from them. An important thing to note is you will get the most surveys usually on Mondays and Tuesdays because that's when the researchers, I guess, come back from their weekend and they're pushing out surveys from you, right? So you'll get the most surveys at the beginning of the week. And in my very first Swagbucks videos, I talked about the remesh surveys, the high paying surveys. Probably have the biggest probability of getting those like $20, $30 high paying surveys on Mondays or Tuesdays. And what you do is just sort by the highest amount of Swagbucks. If you see like 2,000, 3,000 Swagbucks, you know that's a remesh survey or another high paying survey. And just click on that and see if you qualify. And that's also why doing one survey a day to fill out your daily goal is good, because you might stumble on a remesh survey. And that's what actually happened to me, and that's how I stumbled upon my first one and got paid $20 for an hour of survey work that was pretty interactive and not too boring. So my 4th tip is going to be over a thing called members recognition on Swagbucks. I remember when this feature came out back in April of 2019, so it's relatively new to the age of Swagbucks, and I don't think a lot of casual people know about this, so I'm just going to show you what it is. On the front page, left side, you could find members recognition here, and this is how the front page is going to look. You can see I've almost earned $1,000 or 100,000 Swagbucks, which is huge. Super excited for that. And I just have 10,015 Swagbucks left to go to the next level. So every level you get these different types of rewards, and I'm going to show you exactly what they are. Here are all the benefits. Level 1 is Pearl, and you achieve it with 250 Swagbucks, as you can see right here. Now the benefits are you get a 50 Swagbuck rebate on a gift card redemption. So say you redeem a $3 Amazon gift card, they'll just put 50 Swagbucks back into your account, and you have possible double Swagbucks on your next survey. So imagine you see like a high paying survey, you double Swagbucks that one, you could get some good extra money. Here are Opal benefits, 75 Swagbuck rebate, double SB on 2 surveys. Onyx is at 5,000. So yeah, you get the point. Most people, it's pretty hard to achieve these high levels unless you've been on here for a few years. You're probably newer if you're watching this video looking for some advanced tips like this. You'll get a few benefits with this members program. I think if you use the double SB on the surveys wisely, it could be really beneficial for you. Tip number 5 for me is forming a daily routine on Swagbucks. And I think this is actually very beneficial and very easy to do because Swagbucks provides some resources and bonuses to do that. So we have a daily goal, and if you reach that daily goal, you could get a bonus. Today I reached 107 Swagbucks and I got an 11 Swagbuck bonus. And we also have the daily to-do list on the left-hand side of the front page. So you can complete these 8 things and you'll get a few bonuses as well. And I think This is just a good habit to have to earn some extra supplemental income. I honestly treat this like a game. So for me, I've even like engineered it in my brain to be kind of fun. Like, I'm hitting this goal. This is my challenge today, right? So it's kind of fun for me, not even gonna lie. Yeah, I know, it's kind of weird. Swagbucks fun. But yeah, it is. I've just conditioned my brain to think like that. And also, if you hit the daily goal for a certain amount of days, you will get a winning streak. For 7 days, you get a 25 SB bonus, 1400. 21 days, you get a 200 bonus. And if you get the whole month, hit the daily bonus the whole month, you will get 300 Swagbucks worth of bonus. So far this month, I've hit every single day. I just want to show you guys that it's possible. So I got 115 this day, I got 155. I earned $20 this day. That's just because my high-paying remesh survey came in on March 3rd. I earned 65 on this day. $9.74. That offer I actually did the same day. I got 126 that day. 98 Swagbucks that day. 99. And today I got 115. And you can see it gets gradually harder because, you know, they want to make it hard to get that monthly bonus goal, I guess. So it does get gradually harder, but the bonuses also increase. Like you can see, here's an 11 Swagbuck bonus, and then the second bonus is 15. So basically, with tip number 5, if you want to turn it into a routine, just think of it as a game. I mean, that's what helps me. Complete the daily to-do list. It's really not too hard. One survey a day works for me, and I usually hit that goal. Tip number 6 is using the Swagbutton. Now, there are 3 things that the Swagbutton is really good at. 1, if you go on any store website, you can use the Swagbutton to get cash back, which I've actually done on Amazon and some other websites before, so that's very nice. And you'll get the cash back in the form of Swagbucks, which are easy to redeem, so that's why I like it. Number 2, you could turn on swag code notifications. So when you want to enter those codes for those few extra points, you could easily do it. And the last reason why I like the Swagbutton is when you're doing a discover offer, you could actually use the Swagbutton to see if your offer is being tracked. That just gives me a sense of security that, like, yeah, the offer is going to go through. I'm going to get my Swagbucks. And it's just really nice to have that there. Those are my 6 Expert Swagbucks tips. But don't leave yet. I've got one more thing to show you. Not a lot of people can relate about, you know, survey taking or what we like to call beer money or even Swagbucks. I'm just gonna do a PewDiePie-like Swagbucks meme review. When someone asks you what your hobbies are, reading instructions. Yes, that is so true. I love reading instructions. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. I would never read terms of service before, but now you'll catch me occasionally reading terms of service, so that's true. Me taking a break from my C-level position at a Fortune 500 company to complete a 25-minute survey for 43 cents. That's what's up. That's what's up. You gotta love those. They're like, we're looking for a CEO to take our survey for 33 cents. Are you a CEO? Bro, are you serious? Dem, how many sides does a triangle have? Me, 3. Dem, sorry, you do not qualify for this survey. Yeah, I swear, that's how I feel when I give the answer in the survey that I think they want and I get disqualified. It's like, not sure if the next page is just slow to load or it is rerouting to DQ me. Yeah, yeah, I could relate. You've earned 77 spins. Whoa, this is worthless. I mean, yeah, for the most part, I would agree. Disqualifying a user at the beginning of the survey. You know, small brain. Disqualifying a user halfway through the survey. You got a normal sized brain, you got some activity going on in there. Disqualifying a user when they are 75% through a survey. That's big brain time. Make a user spend nearly an hour completing a survey, and once they successfully complete said survey, disqualify them for completing the survey. That's literally like the broke TV show I talked about at the beginning of this video. When you get to the questions at the survey, they ask you about race and ethnicity and you know you're about to finish. Wholesome meme. Although sometimes they ask you at the beginning, but I get what you're saying. To all those wealthy CFOs grinding away on Swagbucks, here's a solid $1.50 waiting for you. I'm gonna be the CFO that's on Swagbucks, trust me. How much you wanna bet Jeff Bezos is on Swagbucks right now just completing this survey? I have no doubt about it. Not every survey can be a winner, but here's one SB for, come on. It's not that bad. Some survey sites don't even pay you 1 SB for disqualifying, so you gotta take what you get. It's not that bad. I'm being judged by a survey about my pizza spending habits. You've selected $57 of pizzas. Are you sure this is a realistic shopping trip? Who doesn't eat $57 worth of pizzas? Yo, this guy has a family. This is normal. Come on, quiz. A nightmare survey, bro. Woo! This is like when they ask you, what banks do you know? And then you click all of them because, you know, they're pretty popular. They have commercials. You know all the banks. And then they ask you all these questions about every single bank that you selected. It's like, you messed up. You messed up. Great job. You've completed more than 1/3 of the exercise. Okay, wholesome meme. Wholesome meme. Give it a clap. You know, you got a choice between Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin. And not every survey can be a winner. Damn, that's a tough one. Is that why they ask it? I've never chose it because I'm not Hispanohablante, you know? Wish I was, I'm not. I identify as 250 to 599 employees. Bruh. I'm more of a 0 to 99 employees type of guy, you know, kind of secluded, kind of individual. When you complete a survey and the survey redirects you to another survey, when you click a 5-minute survey, it turns out to be a 20-minute survey. See, I pulled a sneaky one on you. Gotta hate that. You know, that literally one of my expert tips on the surveys. You gotta know when they do that to you and just exit out of there. You don't want to be tricked like that. When you finish a high-paying survey quickly and actually get credited, that's definitely my reaction. Alright, with all that said, thank you guys for watching. I do really appreciate it. If you still haven't liked the video and you found the tips helpful and just enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. It does help me. Consider subscribing if you like my content and if you want to see other ways to make money online. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.